Tell me what the frig the difference is between ginger ale and ginger beer. I'd like to know. Hello party animals, welcome to another episode of Beer Chugs. It's a new year. My wife and I are starting it off with a new diet, the Ketogenic diet. Here's a couple of drink ideas for you guys out there, you thirsty party animals.
I told you, if you want me to wash your stuff.
Yeah? Well, here, give it to me then. Just give it to me.
It's so hard to open. Well, because I helped you.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I helped you loosen it up.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, great. It's a good thing whiskey's got no carbs in it. Otherwise, I don't know what I'd be doing this year. I really don't. All right, guys. Well, here's my first concoction for you. It's the Tullamore Dew Irish Whiskey Neat. And as you can see, it's just Tullamore poured into a glass with no ice in it.
Sorry.
Basically, you pour the Tullamore into the glass. You know, this is a weird part. I don't know how much you want to fill it up. It's up to you, I guess. I try to put it around about an eighth of a glass, you know, just because it looks more classy that way, as opposed to pouring it all the way to the top. And, you know, I guess that's just one step away from just drinking it straight out of the bottle. But it's good. This isn't really hard to make. Very simple. One ingredient. So here's my second drink of the night. It is the Tullamore Irish Whiskey on the rocks. And you can see I put a couple of ice cubes in here and poured the Irish whiskey over it. And so this way it is nice and cold going down the throat. It makes it a much more smooth drink. Wow. Oh yeah. Okay, so for my third drink of the year, I'm going to be drinking Irish coffees. This has got Mary Lou's coffee in it with the Tullamore's Dew Irish whiskey in it. And basically all you have to do is make yourself a pot of coffee. You pour the coffee in here and then you add one or how many ever ounces of whiskey you need to get yourself through the morning. I mean through the evening when you had your long day of work already. I gotta be honest, there's no coffee in here. Probably hear the ice. If you want, throw a little cream in there. Hey, you can even go with the unsweetened almond milk, which is something I like to do.
Use stevia, honey.
Oh, you can use stevia. Thanks, honey. And now I know you're wondering. Beer Chugs. How about some beer? What kind of beer can I have on this keto diet? Well, I'm telling you, you can't have any beer on this diet, all right? You can't have one beer because one beer is about 155 carbs, okay? Something like that. I have no idea. But there's a lot of carbs in it. And you can't even have those light carb ones because those light calorie ones still have carbs in it. It's just tons of carbs. You can't drink any beer. So forget about it. Just forget it. No beer. No beer. I know my name's Beer Chugs, but there's no beer. No more beer. Anyways, so for my final drink of the night, I would like to show you guys my whiskey ginger go-go. Hula hula. Diet ginger ale or diet sugar-free ginger beer. I don't know what the difference is. Let me know in the comments. Tell me what the frig the difference is between ginger ale and ginger beer. I'd like to know. I think one comes in a can and the other comes in a bottle. And I put a slice of lemon in it and a lot of Irish whiskey. It's sweet. You know, it grows on me the more I drink it. You want to try it?
No.
Try this.
No.
No, it's really quick. Just try it. Really? Really? That was too much for you?
It's not too much, but it's alcohol that tastes funny.
Well, I'm
It's not
getting.
bad though. It's something I would drink.
Yeah, I could see you putting this down if you had to. Not me though. Well, I'm nursing it. I'll drink it. Anyhow, we're gonna be doing the keto thing though. I don't know, for the foreseeable future. We might get through the whole year doing it. My wife's gonna be demonstrating a lot of the recipes that we're gonna be eating on her channel called Chugbits. And it's her brand new channel where she's gonna be diving into all creative realms of her mind. Art, cooking, houses, architecture. I'll keep you...
Crafts, honey.
Yeah, arts and crafts, honey. Thanks.
And cooking.
And cook. I said cooking. That was the first thing I said.
Oh, okay.
But hey, you know, if you haven't already, cheers. Ah, that's much better.